traders, we're looking at Doge on the, let's go out to a daily very quickly, and I'll do a top down. Look at this trend. This is beautiful price action. Nice bullish. Oh, it's so clean. Look at this. Low to high, retrace, buy. Swing low, swing high, retrace, buy, and on it goes. Really nice bullish price action here. I'll get down to a 4-hour chart, and it will even go down to a 15-minute. I just want to give you my take on basically how I want to get involved with this. I'm definitely bullish, and I'm looking at these targets here. So there's a target. Here's another target. Let's go have a look left here. I'll take the low of these candles here. The high of these candles. And ultimately, this will be a nice outcome. I mean, it's a bullish market at the moment. So, you know, I'm looking for, ultimately my target's going to be up around this 22,500 level. So let's just go down to the 4H, and I'll just give you my take on how I get involved with this. It's pretty simple, and it's the same thing. Like on any time frame, it's going to have to be swing low, swing high, retrace, buy or sell. Okay, depending on the trend, of course. This one here, ooh, yeah, a little bit tricky. That would have been a buy. Stop loss below the low. Ooh, okay, want to watch out. But you know, in most cases, swing low, high, retrace. Oops, oh, I mucked it up. Hang on a sec, guys. Let's just clear the decks. Okay, let's get rid of that. I don't want to drag this out, but you can see clearly that this strategy will serve you well. Look at it. And stop loss above or below the previous swing point. All right, so this is how I get involved. And I want to see it trending, and that's my strategy. So if we apply that over here, it's trending, and by trend I mean we see this break of previous highs, previous lows, you know, higher highs, higher lows. We do have this break of structure here, bullish, so that ticks the box. We got this higher low, higher high, and applying the same principle, strategy, swing low, swing high, retrace, buy, stop under the low. Here we are, swing low, swing high, retrace, buy, stop under the low. All right, I'm going somewhere with this. So if we grab the Fibonacci and pull it from low to high, I'm looking at this price swing low to high with the fib, and I want to be buying at a discount. And it's got to be under this red line here. That's my bottom line. So this has to move into this zone for me to get involved with this. Now you could speculate and do something like that. Stop loss under the previous low. Targets, right? This is speculation. Well, I mean, let's just go to town with this. Seriously. Where's the other one? Is that it? No. On it goes, guys. Look. Right, there's a target. I'm going to introduce you to an interesting concept in a minute. And we've got a 20R outcome here. Pretty nice. The thing with this is you can pull your stop loss to break even once this gains a bit of traction. Right, we get here, pull your stop loss to break even and sit on it. Okay, something like that. So there's a plan. This is speculation, and there's always a higher risk involved when we speculate. I'm looking for this rotation to occur. And I want that on the 15 or the 5-minute time frame. So let's just go down the lower time frame and just have a look and see what that looks like on the 15M. Now that we've got the chart marked up, we know where we are in terms of a bit of a plan of attack. I'll just take out this retrace thing, right? All right, I've got my Fibonacci. In fact, I'll just redraw it because it's stretched out a little bit. Fibonacci Well, look, here's the thing. Low to high. See the pull back into this 50? There's a buy back there. So we could, on this time frame, pull a fib from here if you wanted to. That's too tight for me. I'm going to let that one go. I'll pull it from the low, and we'll pull it up to here. And I think this is my entry, my entry point. See this value area down in here, back down in here. Okay, this balance area here. That's what I'm interested in. So I want price to move into this level. Double click that. We'll call it support. I think I've got it there. There it is. All right. This is my area of interest. Now, here's the thing. Look, when it trades down, it's going to be in a bearish trend. Lower highs, lower lows. And then we get some kind of a range setting up. Balance area. A little bit of a dip below, takes out a couple of stops there, and it's off, right? So I want to see the same thing occur over here. I want to see this trending down, lower highs, lower lows, and then wherever it lands, I mean, it's going to do this. And then at some stage, we're going to see it ranging, and then I want to see the volatility kick in, displacement, and we're off. It has to range, and it has to see. Basically, what I want to see this provide me with is this. Let me just grab a pencil. This is where big money accumulates. Right? We get a spike up. They entice buyers in. Stop losses get set up under here. More stops get set up with this bullish move. Then they hit those stops and we're off. Now I'm going to be looking at, number one, a shift in the trend, a change in character. Number two, a break of market structure, and my entry point, something like that would work. Okay, so we're looking for the rotation, and you want to see it starting to trend up, higher highs, higher lows, and we get involved. That's a simplified explanation of the message that I wanted to get across. Okay, it's the same thing here. Look at it, 15-minute time frame. You could even go to the 5M, but it's a bit fast. 15M I quite like. But that's the kind of thing I'm looking for, guys. And what else can I say? Let me just undo some of this. Yep, that'll do. Comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. There's my entry, potential entry, down around in here. Now, the other thing is, look, this could happen here, or it could happen a little bit further south, okay? So it's just going to be wherever you see this starting to range, wherever it lands. It could be further down in here. All right, wherever it happens, you wait for that rotation and then we get involved. Simple, really simple trading strategy. The higher time frame pullback, 4 hour, 1 hour, and the pullback on the 15, it will trade down and then we get involved. So that's it, guys. I'd love your comments below. Definitely say something. Your ideas matter. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading. And that's my take on Doge.